This video will explain how to set up your Olleyes account. To start, go to the website www.olleyes-visual.com. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. If you forget your password, click Forgot Password. Then enter your email and it will resend your password to the email. Once logged in, please note there is a Help and a Contact Us section on the top right of the screen. You may also change the language of the web app by clicking on the flag in the top right. If you click the Help button, you will notice many videos to view for assistance. There is also the user manual for both devices available for reference. Click Contact Us and you can submit a question or technical concern for IT. Now let us begin to set up your account and users. Click on the main menu at the top left of the screen. The menu items will open, and first we will navigate to Manage Offices. You will need to make sure your office name, address, and other information is filled in correctly after clicking New Office. Click Done once complete. Next, you will need to add users. You must create a doctor user and an operator user for the system to start testing. Please note that each user must have a unique email address. Once users are created, you may assign them to an office. You can also open an office by hovering over the gray bar, clicking Assign User, and then clicking the users who will use the device at that location. Please note only admin users can add or delete other operators or doctors within the office account. Now we have an office, we must assign our device. Click Manage Devices and add a new device. Give the device a name and pick the correct type. Assign it to an office or multiple offices and click Done. This will generate another pop-up window. Please notice the code number that is generated. This number is what will be typed into the headset once it is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi. Please reference the linking headset video for further details. Notice the device should say claimed, not unclaimed, to be able to be used for patient testing. Next, notice here that a user can change their username and password if they choose in the Profile section of the main menu. Please note the password requirements if choosing to change yours. If you navigate to Preferences in the main menu, you can create a standard test to have as a default startup. Edit the settings to your preferences, such as skipping a tutorial, picking a certain device to always be used, and so on. This will be the default test that populates when starting a new test, but it can always be edited as needed. There is a section to change settings for the type of system units used, as well as a date and time format preferred by the user. Click Save Changes at the bottom to set. Preferences can be set for the reports, as well as for the extraocular motility. It can be noted in categories or degrees. You can also edit other items to be seen on reports. Click Save Changes once completed. In the Security tab, you can set up two-factor authentication for the web app and the hardware. You may also allow or restrict users to have access to other offices' data. Please note that by default, it is set to allow access for all users to all offices. Only uncheck if you want to restrict users from accessing data at offices they are not assigned to. Make sure each user is assigned to the office they need access to if implementing this security feature. Click the back arrow to exit or save changes to return to the home screen. You are now ready to add a patient and start testing with VisuALL.